have gone either like this, where I went into a 4-beat corkscrew, or I might have gone like that into the spiral. Here's the quick technique on how to teach yourself the spiral over the head. Because you like counterclockwise, it makes sense to do it in counterclockwise. So if you're turning to the left in counterclockwise, what you're gonna do is stop your hands, so you'll have the momentum of the poi going, but then you'll stop, you clap your hands and stack them, so your left hand will stack on top of the right one, meaning your left palm is on the back of your right hand, but up above your head like this. And if you stop, what'll happen is the poi will keep going around your hands. And then as the poi goes around your hands, I mean, you don't even have to have the turn technically, you just have to have enough momentum to get it up and turning. And then if you have enough momentum and it goes in a clean split time, I pretty much had to do absolutely nothing other than just hold that position for it to come out. But I probably have really straight lines, straight enough at least for it to wrap around my hand. So if you've got wild planes going in, then it's not gonna work. But that's the quick, down and dirty way to teach yourself the over the head spiral. When you're turning to the left, going counterclockwise to get into it, the left hand is going to come around on the right hand like this. So the palm of the left hand stacks on the back of the right hand like that above your head.